Good morning, dear students. We were doing the story Rip Van Winkle, where we had seen that Rip went up high in the mountain, and there he was when lying lazily. A elf man, an odd-looking man. He came, small-sized man. He came with a barrel, and he made signs to get help from Rip. He wanted him to help him and carry the barrel. Barrel is a wooden container, as you can see in the picture, and in it there was some liquid. So together they reached a place where there were some odd looking men playing 9 pins. They were playing this game 9 pins, where you have to roll the ball and hit the pins and make them fall. Okay, so what happened when Rip and that odd looking man reached the place? They saw that there were many such people, many such men, all having beards of different shapes and colors, and they were all playing. They were all dressed the same way, their faces were all serious, and they were playing, and still there was a lot of silence. Okay, the only sound that was coming was the noise of the balls, which echoed in the mountains like thunder. Okay, because there was no other noise, only the noise was that of the ball and the 9 pins. They were not even talking, they were not laughing. As Rip and his companion reached them, they stopped playing and they stared at Rip with a fixed gaze, and Rip got really very frightened that such odd looking men, they are looking at him. His companion emptied the contents of the barrel into glasses and made Rip also drink it. The content of the barrel, it was given to Rip. He drank a few glasses because he was very thirsty, and he went into a very deep sleep. When he got up, he found that he was at that place where that old man had first met him. It was a bright sunny morning. He felt that he hasn't slept there for the whole night. He called out to his dog, his constant companion, Wolf, Wolf, but he did not come. And so he decided to go back to his village. When he neared the village, he met a number of people, but he didn't know any of them. The villagers also kept staring at him, and they were also very surprised. They also didn't know who this man was, and they said, "We have never seen this man. See, look at his long white beard and his wrinkled face." On hearing this, the Rip suddenly stroked his chin, and to his astonishment, he found that his beard has grown a foot long, and it was all white. Suddenly, an old woman came, and he looked at his face for a moment and said, "Welcome, my dear old neighbor, welcome home." So Rip has been sleeping in those mountains for almost 20 years. He has visited his village after 20 years. So this was the story Rip Van Winkle. When